Hi, it's Leah from the Southern Pines Public Library, and I am out here today at Fire Station 82, which is essentially across from the Moore County Airport. And I am going to be talking about our beautiful 24/7 library. So it is a machine with 235 items, and it has all types of items. So adult fiction, nonfiction, juvenile fiction, nonfiction, so on and so forth, DVDs. And it is available 24/7, so you can come out here anytime, though if you're up at 2 a.m. I don't know that you want to come out here. I think you should sleep. It is available for you to use 24/7, and I'm going to show you some of the basic features of it. So when you come up to the machine, you'll see that we have a couple options for you. The first option is to show more items. So you're only seeing about a third of the collection here currently, and if you want to see more, you just click. It'll say please wait while the system displays more items, and then it's going to rotate all three shelves. And you'll want to keep a close eye on the numbers here, as those numbers will be the ones that you type in when you find something you actually want to check out. You will be unable to actually do anything while the machine is rotating, so you will have to wait. Even if you see something on the first shelf there, right there, you will have to wait until all three levels have rotated in order to do something. And then we're back to our main menu. So from here you can check out, return, or renew items. I'm going to show you the return feature first because I do have something to return. Sorry. That's going to ask for your library card. You're just going to scan the card. It will allow me to scan it. Aha. And then you're going to put in your PIN number.
Please insert items one at a time.
And then it's going to open up, and you're going to put your book in. And then it's going to say please wait while it deposits it into the book drop here. Up. And you're done. And you can do that as many times as you need to return items, but once you've returned them all, and the little shelf here will open up every single time. It's very important to note you can only return one item at a time. Do not put two or more items in the slot. You have to return them individually. Then you can click you're done. And you can choose to print or not print your receipt. And this is just going to show you the items that you returned. If you like to have, proof of verification or any of that, that's a really important detail. All right, now we're going to try checking out something. So you're going to choose checkout. It's going to once again ask you for your library card, and you can scan it or type it in. Let's see, and the hardest part of this is getting it to scan. Right? There we go. Okay, then you're going to enter in your PIN. And I'm moving mine out of the way so you can't see my PIN number. Alrighty, and then we're ready. And it's going to ask what 4-digit slot number do we want. So we're going to choose, I think today, how about the Glass Castle? It is on 2072. So we'll type that in. It's going to tell you what the item is, and do you actually want to check it out? Yes. Going to rotate the level, deposit the book, and then I'll dispense it right here, exactly where you returned items. And it's one of those things where it just takes a little bit of time. So if you want to check out 5 items, you'll be waiting a couple of minutes to get every item. And then there we go, we have the Glass Castle. And then you can choose to type in more slot numbers if you want it, or be done. And I think I will be done. And then once again, you can choose to print, not print your receipt. There we go. And there you have it. So I really hope you come out to our 24/7 library, fondly known as Spark, and Please note that this was, we were able to afford this through a grant, a LISTA grant, and the State Library of North Carolina, and our friends and the town. So we hope you come out and enjoy. Stay safe.